Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So we're getting more into a neutral to bearish mode, at least bearish mode on the intraday and daily time frames. Keep in mind, Bitcoin and Ethereum are still above their weekly rotation zones. So on a weekly basis, it is still bullish. But on a daily basis, it is now shifting to bearish, especially Bitcoin. So 4-hour chart. We've fallen down. What I did was this little Gann projection, give us the next levels down, major next levels 93.24, just dipping below it. At this point, you can update it. Rotation zone now against it supports the bearish condition, so it's against the bullish condition. So first level of resistance is now about 9,500, 94.88 to 9,500. Next area is about 96.25. You see this little resistance shelf there, support shelf there, resistance shelf there. So it's already been prior support resistance, and now it coincides with the separation of the rotation zone. So those are your two key levels based off the 4-hour. If we break below this 92.58, 91.62, 9,066, and 89.81 are the next levels lower, with 89.81 being the major one. Let's go to the daily chart. Keep it in perspective. So you see very big volume today, very big volume on the sell-off, coming down to the 50-day exponential moving average, and it looks like we're going to get the first cross of the rotation zone. It's right now, it's moment in neutral. So if we rallied up strongly before it closed today, it would not close. If we sold off more, it would cross. So we're going to wait and see. But once this does cross, then it's in bearish mode on the 4-hour, bearish mode on the daily, bullish mode on the weekly. So on a longer term basis, you're going to watch for the bigger pullback. On the shorter term basis, rallies, if you're trading aggressively and you find bounding patterns and rallies, you don't set huge price targets, or you wait. If you're shorting it, then you take advantage of the sell-off, or you be patient and wait for the bigger pullback and a really good reversal pattern at a key level. That's what we mean by those terms, bullish and bearish. So Ethereum coming down. So we got the cross on the 4-hour resistance. Now I'm going to go across here, look at these candle bodies. It's already tested that area. That's about 253 to 254. You could even go to 255 as the first little area of key resistance, and major resistance coming in right around 260. So those are your two key levels on any rally. Have the projections here. So below 245, we're watching for a cluster of 241 to 241.80. And then next major cluster is about 236. So those are your key levels should it continue to decline. Let's take a look at the daily for Ethereum. So here we go. Once it updates the data, here's the daily for Ethereum. And you see right now trading at the bottom of the rotation zone. So we don't have the anywhere near the first cross yet. We're still trading to the bottom of the rotation zone, and we're at this little support area. So this is a critical juncture. If we do get a close really below this 245 level, we'll close below the rotation zone, and we'll start watching for a lower price action, especially since other cryptos, especially like Bitcoin, are starting to pull back more. So, and this is a good benefit for Ethereum. It got overextended. Now we can watch for the bigger pullback and see if there's a reversal pattern. Not nearly the volume on Bitcoin. This is holding up a little better, but those are the key levels we will be watching for. If this were to return to the 50-day exponential moving average, just like Bitcoin done, it would be all the way back to 215. So keep that in mind. That's our update for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.